Welcome to Gariautocare. Right now we have another episode. Right now I have Volkswagen Touran. This vehicle has a problem with check engine, EPC. Another problem is high consumption. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. The first thing, I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. So under engine control modules, let me see. Okay, read. So the problem is oxygen sensor circuit Bank1 sensor 1 no activity detected, meaning the P0134 is the main fault code. The oxygen sensor is not communicating with the ECU. No activity is detected. So what I'm going to do, according to this P0134, according to this fault code, the main problem is oxygen sensor Bank1. So I'm going to buy a new oxygen sensor so that we replace with the old one. I'm going to change the oxygen sensor, upper stream, this one. So I'm going to replace this oxygen sensor. We have a new oxygen sensor that I have imported, Porsche STPS. So I'm going to replace with this oxygen sensor to eliminate that fault code. So this is the new oxygen sensor. We have replaced with this one, with the fake one. So this is not the original ABS of this vehicle. So this is the original. Right now we are done replacing the oxygen sensor. Let me put ignition on. Then before we do anything, I'm going to quick erase the fault code from the system. Like this. No DTC. Right now the vehicle is running smooth. Let me show you. So the problem was the oxygen sensor. So the main problem was the oxygen sensor. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.